Hi there, my name is Brian. This is my Chevy Astro. I'm going to show you my kitchen. We are going to start with the propane and the propane accessories. I bought this thing at REI for about 100 bucks. It holds 1 gallon, and depending where you're at, and propane costs at the time, could be about $3, $3.50 to fill it up, which is pretty dang good. And to mount this tank, I used a mount and strap called Power Tank. Comes with a bunch of bolts, bolted directly to this barn door. Pretty freaking solid. And how long it lasts? Well, I'll tell you when we get to the stove. One of the key features I absolutely fell in love with about this van was the back door system. Shout out to my friend Brenda for creating all this beautiful organization for me. As you can see, we have a paper towel roll here, propane hose that connects a propane tank to the stove, extra propane bottle in case we run out in the middle of cooking. And last but not least, we got a little knife here for, knife things. Now moving on to the passenger side of the barn doors, as you can see here, I have a couple utensils hanging. And a big shout out to my buddy Scott for making me this beautiful cutting board that I use damn near every single day. Mounted on the back door here via folding shelf brackets. Beautiful. And now, the moment you all been waiting for. Kitchen. As you can see here, the stove lives on the upper part of the drawer slide. Down below is some storage for cooking hardware and other ingredients and whatever else I may need to cook. And this is how I set up my cooking area. Take the hose. So as you can see here, this is a two-piece little system. This part is usually what comes with your stove right here. Green bottles usually plug into this. But you can go to any propane store, I think Ace Hardware, pretty much anywhere they sell propane accessories. And that end right there plugs right into the propane tank. On average, if I'm cooking a normal lunch and dinner, this will last me right around 2.5 months. If I'm cooking breakfast, lunch, and dinner, also boiling water to make pasta or rice, maybe I'll get month and a half out of that. Check this out. If I know I'm going to be staying in a place for more than just a day or two, you push the doors all the way out, pull this all the way forward. You are now fully enclosed. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this sweater, I'm gonna leave a link below where you can buy one. My friend Jamie makes these out of Chicago, so if you want to support a local small business, she's the one to support. I'll even leave a little promo code in there for you. See ya.